Welcome back, Seavod Enterprises. My name is Cam once again, and today we'll be doing an unboxing for you guys. Today we're going to do an unboxing on the Springfield Armory Hellcat right here. We got the Desert Tan package from Murdoch's. They included a holster and a laser sight for it for a really good price, so we picked it up when they were available. We might get some range time out there and show you guys that. Alright, so without further ado, we'll get into this unboxing for y'all. So starting out, you will get a padded soft case with a nice zipper on there. In our package, we did get the one with the nylon holster right here. This is going to be a inside the waistband right-handed retrieval one. And then under here, you do get the other magazine. This is going to be the 11 one, the 11 rounder. And then you also get the smaller base plate, so you don't get the pinky ledge that kind of helps stabilize the pistol. And then you will also receive one of these little chamber locks that goes through the barrel and locks the action kind of in an open manner, and it renders it pretty much useless, but there are ways around it, but still pretty safe. You do get Allen keys, and this is to adjust the point of impact for where the laser is when you do use it. So those are pretty handy. And then other than this, we did get the warranty information and a couple of manuals. So we'll just move this over to the side. I'll start with the other stuff first and then move to the pistol. So starting out, this is going to be the nylon holster inside the waistband. So this is made to go inside the waistband, and then your belt will go through here. So you do get a nice sweat shield on the back. So when it's up against your body, you're not really sweating on your own pistol and rusting it out. I have seen a couple of those before, not fun. And this also, I hope, will accommodate the laser sight that's on the pistol, but we shall see. So yeah, we get into the pistol now. So, comes like this. Right away, I do see a chamber flag, so I'll be safe in how I operate this anyways. Pull this out real quick. So, starting out, you always want to make sure that the firearm is clear and safe at all times, because it's not fun playing around with firearms at all. But this is going to be the 13+1 magazine that you do get in the gun. What's kind of weird about this compared to the other one is you do get the 2+ option on the bottom of this, and on this one it's just the standard one. So if you wanted to swap magazines for any weird reason, if one's malfunctioning or just hard to get in and out of the action of the gun, you can swap that over to the other magazine and hopefully resolve that issue for you. Moving on to the pistol, this is going to be the Hellcat right here. Comes with the laser. So it comes with the laser already on the pistol, and it is ambidextrous, so if you are a left-handed shooter as well, you do have easy access to the little button to turn it on and off, and same if you're right-handed. Right off the bat, I will say the stippling texture on the actual grip is pretty nice. It's not too aggressive like my other pistol I do own. It's really aggressive. But it also has a nice stippled grip area right up here for your finger, so you can put your finger in a safe place, and you know from that texture that it is far away from the trigger and in a safe manner off the firing mechanism. Look, stiff. Ah. So I'm actually going to give up on just taking it apart for the moment, just because it is super stiff right now, and it is kind of cold in our shop, so my fingertips are pretty numb. So we'll do another video on how you can take it apart in a quick cleaning video for it. And also, I do believe on this one, so it is an Optic-Ready version, so you can take these two screws out and put any red dot sight that you want on here, or reflex sight if you do choose so. So without further ado, hopefully we'll go get some range time on this guy for y'all. Alright, so we're downrange now. Got the pistol here, got a box of ammo. Now we're gonna load it up and see how it does. And it is a 9mm, so I know some of you guys probably see the upload date of this and be like, how are you finding ammo? Well, if you reload it, it's pretty easy. And that's how we got so much of it. Alright, so we're all loaded up with this magazine. I will say it is kind of hard to see, and that's just the daylight that we're dealing with right now. Hard to see these load indicators right here. I did want to show you guys that it is clear right now, so it's all safe. I just wanted to show you guys that the laser that comes with, you just push it once, turn it on, push it again, turn it off. And one thing I can tell you, it's going to be pretty hard to show on camera, but it's really off. It's not right on, so you will have to use those Allen keys that you did get with the kit for this and adjust it accordingly for your standards. But other than that, we're going to do some shooting for y'all. All right, so we're going to get into some shooting. First thing I want to show you, if we're about like 15 yards away from that plastic mannequin right now. So I'll put the laser center mass, and then I'll show you where the true point of impact is using the sights on here. So if I put the laser right in the middle, and if I go to where it actually is going to impact, it's probably like foot and a half off. So that's just something you're going to have to use those Allen keys to readjust the laser on here, but nothing too bad. All right, so that was 13 rounds, flawless. They all function really good. Slide lock back. So it's pretty smooth running pistol right there. No gripes about it so far. All right, so just to show you guys how to disassemble this pistol real quick. What you're going to do is you're going to first make sure that the trigger is depressed and the fired position are ready. And then you will see this little notch right here. So it's going to be kind of hard to do on camera because I'm a righty, but you're going to pull back till that notch is right at this black plate right here. Push it on the up position, pull the trigger, slide it forward. So this is going to be your lower, and this is your upper slide assembly. From here, I'm going to take the recoil spring out and the guide rod, and then the barrel pops out like this. This is going to be a 3-inch barrel, which is pretty cool for a micro compact pistol like this one. Without further ado, we'll put it all back together and get back out on the range for you guys. So we did walk down range. All of us do have eyes and ears protection, so we're all covered on that safety precaution. And without further ado, we'll pan into the range that we're shooting at and show you what we're doing.
Clear and safe.
Alright, so just to conclude today's video, we did the unboxing of the Springfield Armory Hellcat. Shot really nicely, the ergonomics are really good. Had 0 malfunctions on our self-reload, so that's a real big plus for us. If you like these videos, leave us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below telling us if you want more content of guns, and if you do, maybe we have some in our collection you want to take a look at and have a review on. Other than that, we will also have a follow-up video of the Springfield Armory Hellcat in the future that is going to go over the cleaning of it and the teardown.